Well, good day, everybody. Welcome back to Aunty Aqua's Helpful Tips. Glad you're here. So, recently I heard that burning candles, the scented candles, releases trace quantities of chemicals that aren't too good for us. Now, I'm not saying avoid candles, because I'm not, and I may take their advice. But what I am offering is an alternative. So what you're going to do, you're going to get you a glass jar, and I got this one from the local dollar store. And if you have any empty glass jars in your home, you can use that as well, but I do recommend a glass jar. And this one came with a regular top. So the other thing you'll need is one of these perforated tops. Now I got this again from the dollar store, and it was 2 in a pack. I have another jar in another space. Okay. And then you're going to need some type of smell good. Okay. So this is one that I got. It's lavender scent, and it's actually a sachet. It came in a pack of 3. And I've already put 2 in here already, but I want to show you what I do. So we're going to open this up. And this is what a sachet is. A sachet is just a small perfumed bag. Okay, and it's got the smell good inside. But what I do is I'm going to cut this off. And I'm going to pour this into the jar. You see? And because I'm a big recycler, reuser, I'm going to take this bag and I'm going to stick it in my bedroom chest of drawers to give it a good smell until it's no longer there. Okay? And that's it. Now you've got your smell good in there, and you can also use potpourri in here. And potpourri comes in all different colors. So if you have a particular color scheme in your home, then you can find you some potpourri, some scented potpourri to put in here. But I just found this and I really liked it. And then we're going to put our top on there. And voila, we have got a smell good. And it smells so good. I'm telling you, it smells really good. And I just sit this right here in my kitchen. Like I said, I have another jar exactly like this, and I use the second perforated top. And I had another scent, I think it was rose or something like that, sachet, and I poured it in there. But this is just an alternative if you don't want to use the scented candles. But me, I'm going to use me a scented candle because I just like scented candles. I like the candles. It gives a very nice ambiance, plus it smells good. But this is a good alternative DIY. Didn't cost you much. Jar was $1.25. Pack of these 2, $1.25. And 3 of these came in the pack, $1.25. All right. Well, thank you so much for stopping through to see another one of Aunty Aqua's helpful tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more of my weekly helpful tips. All right now. Bye-bye.